Okay, hello guys. Today's the 160th day of me doing Codeforces every day until I reach expert, and it's has been nearly half a year since I started this journey, and my ratings are kinda still trashy. And yeah, I hope that I can get to specialist before 6 months, the 6 months streak, because if not, that would be pretty miserable. So let's begin. And I've been learning a bit of graph related problems recently. And yeah, yesterday I learned about some Kosaraju. Actually, not, I didn't learn it from scratch, but I learned about Kosaraju about 3 or 6 months ago. And today I'm trying to revise it and try to remember what we need to do in those graph problems. And to be honest, since I started this journey, the majority of problems that I am solving is about greedy approach or implementation, and there isn't really much about algorithm, and it makes me question myself a lot. And maybe I should switch to lead code or something, but whatever. I've gone too far in this journey, and I just can't lose my streak and go to a lead code, right? So let's begin. Let's sort in the 1400, yeah, 1400 difficulty. What should I do, to be honest? What should I do? Wow, there's so much problems that I haven't finished. Let's do this one. It's a division 2C, right? So, what can I say? Let's start. Read the test case. Okay, given two inputs and an x, right? A permutation p of length n is called funny if every element is a multiply of I for all. Okay. Find the lexicographical minimal funny permutation or report that no such permutation exists. What do you mean? A permutation of length n is an. Okay, I understand permutation. Let A and B be permutations of length n. Then A is lexicographically smaller than B in the first position. Okay, if it's the number of test case and an X. Okay, so what do you mean, to be honest? Satisfies all the conditions. P1 is 3 and P3 is 1. What? Pn, oh, Pn. If it's a multiple of, and P1 is X. Okay, P1 is X, right? P1 is, eh? P1 is 2, okay? And, okay, understandable. P1 is X and Pn is 1. Okay, understandable. Find the lexicographically minimal funny permutation or report that no such. Okay, understandable. Alright, let's see. 3 is a multiply of 1 and 2 is a multiply of 1. Yes. In the second test case, the permutation satisfies the condition P1 is 2 and P4 is 1. Alright, alright. That's understandable. P4, okay, understandable. 4 is a multiply of 2 is a multiply of 1. Eh? 2 is a multiple of 1. 4 is a multiple of 2. 3 is a. Eh? What do you mean? If. For all. What is this? Wait a minute. Let me make this clear. Let me read this problem again. 2431 satisfies all conditions. P1 is 2, okay, and the last element is 1. Alright. 2 is a multiple. Multiple. Oh, that can be divided by another number without a remainder. Okay, okay. 4 is a multiple of 2, 3 is okay, understandable. The lexicographically minimal funny permutation. How about let me open the whiteboard real quick. What is this about? This is kind of strange. 2431, 2431. 2431, right? 2431. 2431. 2. Okay, how about 5 and 4? 5, 4. Oh, oh, okay, understand. Okay, it's like the index, right? 2 is a multiply of 1, right? 1 here. Okay, 1 here, 2 here. Yeah, and 3 here and 4 here. Okay. Okay, understandable. I understand the statement now. Okay. Okay, okay, understand it. And 5 could not be, 5 is prime number, right? And a prime number is only divided by itself, but it's the largest number in this permutation. But the last element is the last index is occupied by 1, so of course the answer will be 1. Okay. Oh shit, whatever. So much homework. Shit. Let's read the input. N and X, right? N and X. Read the input. Now what? Okay, if N is a prime, right? Is prime N, then yeah, count -1 and then continue. I believe so, right? Now we have to write a prime function. That's gonna take a while, to be honest. Shit. Well, that's gonna take a while, but what can I say? Wait, let me brainstorm the implementation real quick, because if we don't need to use prime numbers, that's gonna be a bit sad. So let's try to think about it real quick. How should we do this problem? The most 2 4, right? For example, 2 4 or 4 2, right? 2 is the first, 1 is the last. We have 2 more left. How can we arrange this array in order to be the smallest lexicographically array? We have 3 and 4 left, so yeah, 4 3. But for example, 10 5, what now? How about 10 5, what now? Let me try to arrange it myself manually and see if there is any problem. 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, let's see. Lexicographically, yeah, this should be 2, right? 2. 3 should be 3. 4 should be 4. We don't have a 5, right? So 6 7 8 9 10 left. How could we arrange this one? 10 is divided by 5, right? 10 here. 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So maybe that's our let me try again. 2 1, right? Okay, so 2 is already occupied. Okay, okay. Now I think that I know the answer for this problem. Yeah, I think that I know the answer for this problem. I don't think we really need to write a prime function. It's unnecessarily. So course book link filled from cap 7 to cap 9. Oh my gosh. Shit, shit, shit. Okay, okay. Let's continue. Actually, I don't think this is really necessarily, and we could do it another way, right? Okay, so let's create a vector n plus 1. V1 will be x, and Vn will be 1, right? So for int is 2, and int is yeah, to n e plus plus if e is equal to x, then something will happen, right? Else what? Else what? Else what? Oh, wait a minute. How about 10 4? 10 4 is also pretty strange, right? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, right? 2, 3, 4, 4, 4. First, we are missing a 10, right? 10 is not divided by 4. How about this? 5, 6, 7. Okay. So this is getting tricky, right? This is getting tricky. 4. Who's gonna help 4? 5, 6, 7, 8, 4, right? We don't have a 4 here, so 8. But what will. Okay, so this is not adequate, right? 8, 9. This is not gonna be adequate. Alright. Here. We only have a 10 here. Okay, we only have a 10 here. Uh-huh. Is equal to x. V is equal to x. Yeah. V is equal to e. Alright. If e is x equal to x, right? If e is equal to x. Let's use an okay here. If e is equal to x, if what? If n divided by x is equal to 0, then ve will be n. Else what? Else okay will be 0 and break, right? I'm not sure if this is correct, but I hope so. It doesn't seem really correct, so never mind. Let's just try to do it. It doesn't seem really correct. Okay, so I think this might be correct. Come on, come on. 3, 2, 1. Right, 2, 4, 3, 1. Let's try to submit. I hope we got this correct. Come on. I don't think it could be that easy, right? It couldn't be that easy. Shit. Shit, shit, shit. Let's try to check the answer. Expected 4, found 8. Hmm. Expected 4, found 8. Expected 4, found 8. Expected 4, found 8. Okay, so it's not the most optimal way to make this element, this array lexicographically minimal, right? Expected 4, found 8. Expected 4, found 8. Nah, 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 nah. Expected 4, found 8. Nah, this couldn't be the problem here. Expected 4, found 8. Oh, -1. Alright. 12. Okay, so we nearly got it correct, but there's some flaw in my logic. Let's try to think about a wrong test case. Let's think about a wrong test case. How about 16.4? Yeah, this might not be right, right? 16 shouldn't be here. 8 should be here, right? 8 should be here. 8 should be here. And 16 should be here, right? Yeah, 16 should be here. Not 8. Okay, 16 should be here, and how about 12? 12 doesn't really matter. Yeah, 12 doesn't really matter. Okay, I know where I'm getting this wrong, okay? At least I know where I'm getting this wrong. Switch it, yeah. New swap. Okay. I think that I know where this is getting wrong. X. X, right? Yeah. E plus X. So 4 get to 8. Alright, if will be to X, right? X. Is divided by X. x and VI temporary will be. How about this? Nah, this isn't correct. This shouldn't be correct. Let me see about 12. This should be 8, right? This should have been 8. No, this is not correct. This is not correct. If e divided by x is equal to 0, what? Swap v of x. Oh, v of temporary. My bad, my bad, my bad. 8 here, right? 5, 6, 12. 12. 12 is not divided by 8. What? 12 is definitely not divided by 8. 12, right, is divided by x. Is divided by x. 16 for you. 16, right? Okay, this might be correct. This might have been correct. 2, 4, 3, 1, yeah. I'm not sure if I'm correct, but I hope that we are correct here. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Come on. Come on. Still the test case, right? Yeah. No. 25th. Expected 6, found 4. So there are still flaws in my logic, right? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 15, 20, 26, right? 25th. Alright, alright, alright. 3, 4, 5 here. 8 and 5. 8 and 5. What? 25th. Let me 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 13, 15, 18, 20, 25. This is 25. What? What? Pardon me. Wait a minute, what? That's definitely 25. 5, right? 8, 10, 13, 15, 18, 20. Yeah, that should be in 25, right? Expected 4 found 6. What? 25th answer. What is that? Okay, so I'm not sure what the test case means because 25th. Shit. Don't make me search for it manually. 3, 5, 8, 10, 15, 19, 20, 25, right? Okay, it's core 8, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. 2, 4, 3, 8, 5, 6, 7, 1. 243. No idea. Okay, this one. This one is not correct. It's this one, right? It's this one. Two. This is getting out of hand because what the fuck, man? What the fuck? 2, 4. 2, 4. Okay, let's see. Shit. Okay, this one is incorrect, right? Okay, this one is incorrect, right? 19. Okay, this is incorrect. Okay, so obviously 10, right? 10. How is 10 here? For example, okay, it starts from here, right? Here. If E is divided by temporary is X, right? Temporary is 2. If E is divided by temporary, yeah, this should be correct, man. I hope so. Because it makes no sense to me. Come on. Shit. This shit wrong as fuck, man. Still that still that case. Expected 4 found 8. Hmm. Where could I have where hmm. Where may I got this wrong? What is this? Oh, I'm just doing a virtual contest, right? So it doesn't really matter. Expected 4 found 8. So my code is not optimal somewhere, right? Okay, this is not optimal, right? Obviously, shit, it's still not being replaced. So let's see what we are getting, why we are getting this wrong. It's exactly the same, right? Okay, we don't want that. 16, right? Wait a minute. Vx right here. V is divided by temporary. No, not actually. X only, right? X and is divided. Then swap, right? That makes more sense, right? That makes a lot more sense. Yeah, I think that makes a lot more sense. And okay, this must be the answer, man. If not, I don't know what is. This must be the answer. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Okay. What can I say? The implementation was pretty spot on, right? It's not so difficult. I got a little bit of error down here, so I think my logic is pretty spot on, and there's really nothing much to complain about, right? So it's just a easy 1400 problem, so I'm not that really proud about it, but at least we got it correct. Oh, wait a minute. Okay, at least we got it correct, right? Okay, so I'm a bit into the directions. Should I do CSES or should I continue to Codeforces? I'm not sure. But maybe I should diverse my training a bit and move to CSES. So bye bye Codeforces for now. Let's move to CSES. I've been learning some graph problems right now, so maybe I should make use of it. Okay, so yeah, let's try to solve a problem, a graph problem. I'm not sure if I should. Okay, so this must be in Viking's name, right? With those A's and S, right? Seriala's network has N computers and M connections. Your task is to find out if whatever this is can send a message to Maya, and if it is possible, what is the minimum number of computers on each route. So it's a number of computers and connections. All right, let's erase all of this. Read sin and m. What now? The computers are numbered from 1 to n, and Maya's computer is n, right? Levy's computer is 1 and Maya's computer is m. There are m lines describing the. Okay, so it's yeah, no direction line, right? So it can be connected by both two computers. Okay, and there's at most one connection within. Is if it is possible to send a message. Okay, so I think this is a basic problem, right? It's a pretty basic problem. I think so. Yeah, it's a pretty basic problem. Uh, uh what should I call it? Yeah. Uh, I will use Vietnamese variables name. So yeah, whatever. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, that's not enough. Okay, so for 1 to m, let's read x and y, sin x and y, and x dot push back e and e dot push back x. Not that difficult, right? What now? if it is possible, if there are no roots, you can print. If it is possible to send a message, first print X. Okay, graph creator. What is that shit? Graph this draw. What is that? Yeah, graph editor. Yeah, it's a graph editor. Right. So from 1 to 5, right? From 1 to 5. 1 4 5. Okay. So we can just use DFS, right? Kosaraju is also okay. Yeah, Kosaraju is also okay. Let me think about it. Let me think about it. Let me think real quick about it. Spread from here, 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 here. Hmm. What should we do here? How can we track the path of the, yeah, how can we track the path? 1 3 3 4. That's not good at all. Before go- Maybe DFS is okay, right? I'm not sure, but let's try DFS. Actually, just let's use a book integer DFS, right? The starting point and the number of steps, right? Maybe, yeah, and zero, right? Let's also use a bool here. Visited. Mem set it. Let's mem set it to false. Visited false and size of visited. All right. Okay. So first of all, visited of st will be true, and for int v in kst if, oh, my bad, if not visited of v, then what do we do? DFS it, obviously. V and steps plus one, and yeah, that must be it. If st is, if st is if st is if st is equal to n, then what? Return one, or something, right? If it gets to the last computer, then we will return one. Is it? Let me think through this. Let me think through this.
Hello. Chắc đi chơi rồi.
Steps. Get through the steps, right? 5 steps. F is equal to parent. Yeah. Parent of parent -1 size of parent they will be U. No, should be ST, right? Parent of they will be ST. Yeah, yeah, that's true, right? Return one if C is equal to one, then return -1. Temporary, right? Temporary. Oh, never mind. Never mind. Shit. 5-1. Absolutely not correct. Absolutely not correct. 5-1. How is that so? How is that so? V, right? Push back then. Wait a minute. Huh? What is this? Ooh, you know, down, so fan. 4. Yeah, yeah, that's correct. This must be correct. Yeah, yeah, no, actually not. Shit. Let's see. Huh? Shit. 4, 5, 8, 10. Oh shit. User output. Yeah, something is wrong here. Something is definitely wrong here. Impossible. All right. Let's see. Is one go to two, two go to three, right? One go to four, go to five. Yeah, five. ST is equal to M. Five, right? Time is steps. Impossible. How? He is what? It's return one. Makes no sense. ST is equal to N. If ST is equal to N, which it is, right? Which it is. Yeah. It went from 1 to 2 to 3 and from 1 to 4 to 5. It's 5. It went to 5, right? 0. The others. What's wrong here? Oh, you must return true or something. What? Yeah, it's basically the same thing. Really? No idea why. Very interesting. Shit. Uh-huh. That's strange. It's kind of strange. Okay. So impossible, right? Shit. Oh, we should use BFS, right? We should use BFS, not DFS. Oh, we should use BFS. My bad, my bad, my bad. We should use BFS, not DFS, right? Shit. Let do it again. Shit, 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 shit. We should have used DFS, a BFS, right? Q, right? How about a Q? Q. Push one here. Temporary. If not visited, turn it off. You'll be true. Push IT down here. Yeah. Yeah, this should be okay. All right. Temporaries and cube at top. Let's check. Shit. Oh my fucking god. Ah, shit, no. Ain't no shit. Current temporaries and right? Alright. Oh, I forgot to return. Nah, without steps. Temporary. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. That's not true. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 4 steps. What's wrong here? Shit, shit, guys. It's kinda. Vector path, right? Vector v. Current is n, right? Y temporary is equal. It's different than what? Path dot pushback. That's correct. Reverse it. Count path dot size and line. Yeah. V dot size and line. Shit, this shit is hard, man. some issues for reconstruction. What do I loop? Okay, so one. What is this shit? Nah, man. One. Temporaries end, right? Pushback. Temporary. Five. Huh? How? I don't understand this. Return. Please return it. Oh, okay, so parent ITOB. Okay. Okay, this must be correct, right? We should have used DFS instead of BFS instead of DFS. That's my major problem. Oh shit, man. Oh, of course. I'm not a. Wait, wait a second. I'm not a surprise, to be honest. Shit. Yeah, this must be correct, right? This should have been correct. I hope so. Come on. Okay. 35 minutes for a fucking easy CSES problem. That's a real shame here. But at least we got it by ourselves, and I'm proud of that. So, what can I say? See you guys tomorrow, and bye bye.